Can you explain what internet is?
In the early 2000s, platforms like MySpace, Friendster, and Yahoo Messenger dominated the online space, revolutionizing how we socialized and shared information.
How many friends do you officially have now?
I think we're up to 175 million.
But there was something missing, a way to share videos with the world. That gap was filled by YouTube in 2005, transforming how we consumed media. Once the video king, YouTube offered everything from cat compilations to repair tutorials.
How much?
Free.
What?
Yeah, it's completely free.
But then came TikTok, with its bite-sized entertainment, short, vertical videos focused on trends and challenges. Which platform do you spend more time on? Are you team YouTube for long-form content? Or is TikTok's rapid-fire fun your go-to? Welcome to Do Academy. Today, we're comparing the two titans in the video streaming world. YouTube, the OG video king, and TikTok, the popular new kid on the block. Founded in 2005, YouTube fostered a community built on long-form content, allowing creators to explore and establish themselves in diverse formats. Creators vlogged their daily lives, gamers shared game walkthroughs, educational channels provided tutorials, and documentaries explored different topics. Music videos and short films flourished, shaping today's online video landscape. YouTube has not only grown its user base to billions, but also revolutionized how we consume media. It has become the go-to platform for discovering new music, learning new skills, and following the daily lives of our favorite personalities. The platform has empowered creators to build careers, giving rise to an entirely new industry of influencers and digital entrepreneurs. YouTube's impact on pop culture and its role in democratizing content creation cannot be overstated. But amidst this incredible success, YouTube is now facing a significant challenge. Before TikTok, our attention span were already shrinking. Studies by Microsoft in 2015 showed that the average human attention span had dipped from 12 seconds in the year 2000 to 8 seconds. This decline coincided with the rise of smartphones and social media, where information is constantly bombarding us. TikTok capitalized on this perfectly with its bite-sized and mobile-friendly videos. Learning a dance or watching a skit took mere seconds. This format aligns seamlessly with our reduced attention span, making TikTok incredibly popular. It became the most downloaded app worldwide in 2020, and by mid-2021, it has surpassed 3 billion downloads. The platform's user base continues to grow rapidly, with a particularly strong appeal among younger audiences. This has not only made TikTok a major player in the social media landscape, but also a significant threat to established platforms like YouTube. In 2022, US adult users spent an average of 45.8 minutes per day on TikTok, slightly surpassing YouTube's 45.6 minutes. This close competition highlights how TikTok's rising popularity could draw attention and viewership away from YouTube, challenging its dominance. YouTube recognized the shift in user behavior and the success of TikTok. So, in 2021, they launched YouTube Shorts, allowing users to create and upload short videos up to 60 seconds directly within the YouTube app. Similar to TikTok, Shorts offer creation tools like music integration, filters, and the ability to combine clips. YouTube's introduction of Shorts reflects its strategy to adapt to changing consumer preferences and to compete directly with TikTok. The move has been part of YouTube's broader efforts to retain its massive user base and to capture the attention of a younger demographic that favors quick, easily digestible content. So what kind of content sets these two platforms apart? TikTok thrives on virality. Think dancing challenges that sweep across the app overnight, funny skits with unexpected punchlines, and those catchy trends that disappear as quickly as they appear. It's a constant stream of discovery, fueled by an active community of creators who are constantly pushing the boundaries of creativity. On YouTube, content is more diverse. Whether you crave hour-long gaming guides or bite-sized comedy skits, YouTube caters to all. However, creators here prioritize building a loyal following. They invest in production value, offering in-depth dives, tutorials, and vlogs that establish themselves as online authorities. How do these platforms turn views into revenue? In 2007, YouTube introduced the YouTube Partner Program, a game changer that paved the way for the monetization models that support creators today. Through revenue sharing from pre-roll ads and other traditional advertising, creators were incentivized to produce high-quality content, It also allows creators to further monetize their channels through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and channel subscriptions, offering exclusive content and perks to paying viewers. This fostered the birth of the first generation of YouTube celebrities like Jenna Marbles and PewDiePie, who amass millions of subscribers. Whereas TikTok focuses on brand deals and in-app purchases for virtual gifts that viewers can send to creators. With its massive reach and engagement, brands are willing to pay top dollar to get their products featured in popular TikTok videos, making influencers marketing a major source of income. Both platforms curate content through algorithms. TikTok's For You page personalizes recommendations based on watch history and interaction, learning your preferences over time, keeping users glued to the app. YouTube's algorithm is also effective in recommending related content, but may take longer to understand your preferences. As of January 2024, YouTube boasts a staggering 2.4 billion monthly active users, making it the second most visited website globally, only behind Facebook itself. TikTok, on the other hand, is no slouch either, with over 1.5 billion monthly active users, a number that's been steadily growing since its launch in 2017. While YouTube has a larger user base, TikTok users are far more engaged. Study shows that the average TikTok user spends around 52 minutes per day on the app, with sessions averaging about 10 minutes. This means users are actively consuming content, scrolling through their For You pages, and participating in trends and challenges. On YouTube, the average watch time is significantly lower, with users spending approximately 16 minutes per day on the platform. This suggests that while YouTube offers a wider variety of content, users tend to be more selective about what they watch. The future of short-form video is bright, but both platforms are constantly evolving. It's no longer a black and white picture of short-form versus long-form content. We are witnessing a fascinating convergence where both platforms are borrowing elements from each other. TikTok is testing the waters of long-form content, allowing users to upload videos up to 10 minutes long. They are also dipping their toes in e-commerce, allowing brands to integrate directly with the platform. While YouTube is integrating short-form features with YouTube Shorts, they are also ramping up monetization options for creators through features like Super Chat and Super Stickers, allowing viewers to directly tip their favorite creators during live streams. Who knows? The competition between these two platforms might even lead to collaboration. At the end of the day, TikTok and YouTube offer distinct experiences. TikTok is a playground for trends, quick entertainment, and the thrill of discovery. YouTube, on the other hand, provides a more diverse library of content, with a focus on building communities around shared interests. It will be interesting to see how these platforms adapt, innovate, and cater to ever-changing demands of viewers and creators alike. Ultimately, the winner is you, the viewer, with a wider variety of content and more engaging experiences at your fingertips. So, do you think YouTube can keep its position in the video industry with YouTube Shorts? Or will TikTok continue to dominate the short video format? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights.